All right, welcome back everybody after a long delay here or sabbatical as far as doing videos. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Took a little vacation over the holiday there, and we're out of town for about a week or so, roughly. So then kind of getting back into the groove of doing videos after that was kind of slow to take place, I guess. I actually did a really good video on a NOx sensor troubleshooting and all that, but the sound quality was terrible. So unfortunately, that was a total loss, and we couldn't post it because it was this unsalvageable. So I thought it was a good video, but was hoping to have that out last week, but we weren't able to make that work. So finally got the truck together here behind me. Got the inside probably 80 to 90% done for the most part. New engine, new transmission. Had to put a brake caliper on the front because it about caught on fire when I was taking down to get license plates on this thing. I knew I had to get a couple tires I bought 4 tires on Discount Tire Direct because I basically bought 3 and got 1 for free, so I got 2 spares in there. So what the heck, so everything's going up. I like to stockpile stuff. So still haven't got the pressure wash this thing off and clean it yet. I actually got some decals to go on the side here, so that'll be coming down the road too once it warms up a little bit and I can wash this thing off, since we're coming in the winter here in Northeast Ohio. But anyways, we'll go around back here and show you what I've done. All right, so here's my mobile shop on wheels. Pretty much got everything they have in most physical shops. I've got in the back of here, maybe even more in some cases. So kind of starting from the back, I like a vise on a truck, on a service truck. I mean, it's got me out of trouble in a lot of cases, where if I didn't have a vise, might have had some issues getting some stuff apart and stuff like that. So I took the vise off the other truck, and the other truck, we got it all cleaned up and everything, getting ready to put it up for sale and get rid of that and move that guy down the road. So we ended up inheriting the vise off the other truck, so it's on this truck. Got the welder generator mounted in here, and upgraded our air compressor. I got this from Harbor Freight, and I've got about 5 hours on it so far. Been a really good unit. I haven't hooked up the electric start yet. It does the electric start, but it pulls. And it's a 420cc engine, 2 pulls. It'll start up even when it's like 30 degrees out here. So pretty satisfied. 3-stage compressor, 180 psi. I've got it choked down to 90 psi, and I upgraded my 1-inch impact to an Ingersoll, one of the lightweight ones, and I upgraded to 3/4 line with the Chicago fittings, and it's just been really amazing what that gonna do with that much airflow to it, and 30 gallons, 180 psi, so I've got twice the psi that I need, choked, then coming down to 90 psi for my air tools, so it's been working out really well. Then put a hose reel on the back of here for everything else. 3/8 or 1/2 inch. I think this is 3/8 internal ID line. So that's pretty much it out here. We kind of get in here and show you what I got going on inside. Okay, so first you notice this had those boards across the sides. It's kind of hard to see them now. You can see them here, down here, where people could tie stuff when they were hauling it and all that. But I had some stuff screwed to those, and it wasn't very sturdy. So I got 3/4 inch plywood, which is actually down to a reasonable price now. I think it's like $37 now for a 4x8 sheet. So I bought like 6 sheets, and I mounted that all to those boards, so it made this a lot nice and sturdy here to mount stuff on. I've actually got some more extension cords, and I got another 50-foot section of this 3/4 hose to put in here, so I got 100 foot of that. Another 1/2 inch or 3/8 airline here. I went ahead and put my bolt bins in here. I haven't completely went through and stocked everything yet. Want to get everything organized, but I like having a nice selection of miscellaneous, little parts, little fittings, bolts, and all that type of stuff. So eventually I'll get all that figured out and get all that organized. So did the same thing on the other side with the plywood on the sides. I should build a nice little shelf here. Kind of built it the custom fit these little plastic containers I got at Menards here. So it's not very organized now, but like I said, it's a work in progress. Actually on Black Friday, I got this Craftsman box here. You see it was $429. I got that on sale for like $298 or something, so pretty good deal on that. And these are all these boxes are all mounted, screwed to the side of that. This plywood goes all the way down, and I got it screwed and mounted, you know, so it's not going anywhere. Actually, and then I found these racks while I was at Lowe's too that just happened to fit in here perfectly. I mean, the right width, depth, and everything. So I got some buckets of fluid down there, oils and whatnot, and antifreezes, and then all my aerosol type stuff in there. Got a couple cases of brake cleaner, and then parts, miscellaneous parts, stuff that I've always carried on the road, just stuff that might go bad, you know. And kind of the same thing up here. I got 2 shelves with just all kinds of different parts of stuff that I like, you know, common stuff that I see, you know, in the day-to-day grind. The stuff I like carry, you know, brake chambers, stuff like that, air hose, air dryer cartridges, wheel seals, alternators, a little bit of everything. So just I like to stock a little bit of stuff. Then I got the bigger toolbox here. We got this. This is actually pretty nice. This is a U.S. General. I got it at Harbor Freight, and really pretty heavy duty box. And I think we paid like $1,200 or something for it. But between the two, I mean, I think I got most. I mean, I'd like to have a little bit more space because I don't have quite everything in here, but it kind of is what it is. So, then well, we're not at last yet, but little tech library, built a shelf here. Put all my books on, Cummins books, Detroit books. I just ordered Volvo books from Volvo as well for the D13s and all that stuff. So those will be coming as well. Then coming back around this way, just put a little hanger here for, you know, cover all stuff like that. Bought a new fleet charger here at Napa. 12, I think it actually goes 6 to 24 volts, so that's kind of nice addition. And then torch tanks right there, so these are usually strapped up. And I actually just bought a 100-foot hose reel for oxyacetylene. And I'm going to kind of build a halo back there over top of that welder to put my extension cord reel and torch reel back there. So eventually we'll kind of work that stuff in and make things a little bit more easier to use. So I was kind of talking about manuals a minute ago, and I did have a kind of an announcement. We'll be talking about more, probably do a full video on it, but I've been working, there's a new Freightliner dealer here in Akron. Just opened up an account with them and working with them. They got a parts manager down there that's kind of hungry for business and looking for new accounts. And I got hooked up with their outside salesperson, and we're going to be, I can't remember the exact terminology, but we'll be like an independent Freightliner service provider for the most part. So I'll have access to all their Freightliner tech data, parts data, and be able to like order stuff, see pricing and all that stuff right online. So you guys that have Freightliners, going to give us a lot more capabilities and a lot better service for you guys so that are coming in. So they're working on a lot of Freightliners lately. So that's pretty much it for this. Like I said, 80–90% done for the most part. And then I said there's always, you know, nothing of mine's ever finished, so there's always room for improvement and all that stuff. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, sorry for the whole, it's been a while since we've done some videos. Like I said, I tried one last week and it was just a disaster. Anyways, if you guys are looking for if you're in the Northeast Ohio area passing through, or you're looking for any work to be done or anything on your trucks and all that, check us out. We always put our information there in the description, our website and phone number and all that. And feel free to give us a call anytime, set something up. I do have a 1-bay shop set up right now. As we talked in the past, we bought some property. We're going to be putting up a 3-bay shop probably this spring. And actually I'm looking at another piece of property right now, so might kind of see what happens with all that. But we're going to have, definitely by early summer, we're going to have a bigger shop. So 1 bay right now, so kind of an appointment only type of thing, and kind of trying to work people in and all that. So all our information's in the description. Anyways, guys, appreciate all the support and everything. Subscribe if you haven't already. You know, hit the bells for the updates, thumbs up, and all that good stuff. Comment, and that's pretty much it now. So thanks for all the support, and we'll talk to y'all. See y'all next time.